everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So in this video we are going to discuss a new idea in AI and Android, both of them. So in this video we are going to learn about a new idea named as the SmartCart, revolutionizing the e-commerce application within AI, which is an app idea. So let's move to the introduction part. Introducing a smart cart, an innovative AI-based e-commerce application designed to enhance the shopping experience for the users while revolutionizing online retail. Leveraging the power of the artificial intelligence, smart cart delivers a streamlined user experiences, personalized product recommendations, and data-driven insight for the better business decisions. So let's move to the problem statement. What is the problem statement is currently facing by the users? So traditionally, e-commerce application is often struggle to provide the personalized experience and optimize the business operation effectively. Without AI-driven solution, retailer may miss out some opportunities to improve the product and selection, user engagement, and the marketing strategy. So there is a lot of problem as I discussed in this slide. So like the user engagement is a very big issue. Like user is not spending a lot of time in the application currently nowadays. So and even other marketing strategies is also done by the AI side as well. So what is the solution we are going to provide here? SmartCart addresses these challenges by integrating the AI technologies to deliver the personalized recommendation and streamline user interaction and optimize the business processes. By harnessing the capability of the machine learning and the data analytics, SmartCart transforms the e-commerce landscapes and set a new standards for the customer satisfaction and the business performance. So we are going to provide this solution within the application in Android application. So we are just using these type of AI and models for data analytics and for the e-commerce platform. So let's move to the so if you have any idea in the AI and Android application, both of merging both of them technologies, so you can just drop a mail at the rate, contact@coderas.com. So we will always here to help you. Thank you so much.